Good morning, cows. Look mga ka-blessed. Mag-transfer sila ng cows sa kabilang area. Oh, look at the baby. Ay, is the dog pala. Wow, that's cool. Ayan, oh.
Yeah, the dogs are ringing them around.
Yes. Yan ang style nila dito. Wow, that's nice. Another jackpussy.
it's like a dog.
Yan. Paano na yung mga
The
cows?
the dogs help them.
Yay!
Right about, yeah, going good.
Go past if you want.
Oh no, just take your time.
A while.
Oh, it doesn't go to Walpool, is it?
All right.
Have a good one. Them do their thing.
Look at, are they cow for milk? Look at their boobies, oh. No? It's too, full. They are not pregnant, right? See? Oh, they are cow for milk.
Mommy, look that bum bum.
Yeah, that is their milk. Mm,
Mommy,
yes.
Mommy, we can't That's we push call it it out. carrier.
Andito na pala tayo ka-blessed sa coal mine. Coal mine. Ayan. Yung kanina, nakita niya ng mga baka. Yun yung dinadaanan namin pag pumupunta kami dito. And that area is farm area. Mga bakahan. Dinatimingan kanina, naglipat sila og baka sa kabilang farm. So, ayun. So now we are here at coal mine somewhere in Walpole. Napakatahimik. Ang ating bata is masaya na, naliligo na siya. At ang tatay is kumakain. Naka-jacket kami, napuntang dagat. Wearing jacket hindi na at the beach. Malamig damit ni Moana nakasampay na doon.
It's quite nice like this. I would have thought it much cooler. But here you are out of the winter kit.
Yeah.
That's good.
Hindi lang siya mainit ngayon. Medyo makulimlim. Mas nice sana kung mainit. Pero dapat mag-fishing kami. Pero mamaya-maya na. Titesting natin yung fishing rod ni Daddy. If the fish like it. Wala naman kaming pain. So doon na side, may mga, how do you call it? Kayak? Mga,
Kayak o canoe.
mga estudyante. Ayan. Nag-iensayo sila.
Shapes in it.
Look at our Moana.
How it exactly works. But very good.
Moana is so happy. Shalala. Maybe kayak. 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 Ayan ka blessed pelican. Tada!
It's Moana does.
Kahanap siya ng food. Ng isda. Nangingisda din siya.
Let's see what that
Wow. Ang laki niya ka blessed. Wow. Wow. Moana? What's that? Look. Look. In front of you.
There.
In front of you. In the water. Moana's scared. Ang laki mo naman kasi niya. Oh.
Your face is just like
Yes. Ay, Mag-fishing na.
That's a long time ago.
What happened?
Oh, it slipped out of it.
Careful, don't get closer to Daddy because Daddy is going to throw it far. Ooh, sana all.
Moana, that water is cold. Could have told me.
Ang Moana, oh. La. Pangalawang labay. Ang muwan. Tingnan mo din dalawa, oh. Doon sila sa dulo banda. Ang cute nila tingnan. Pinakabanding nila fishing.
Why not? Just stay a bit away, okay?
Kami lang ang tao dito. Lakas ng tama namin. Kami lang as in wala. Doon sa may boat ramp, merong sasakyan, isa lang din. Kaloka. Solo namin ang beach. Yay! Look at that.
Upstairs.
Stairs upstairs.
Yes.
No, you don't need to climb there. And this way. So you can walk, go there and fishing. Daddy, we left Daddy alone. Come on, let's go back.
Daddy!
Come on, enough now. Yes, they got to Daddy.
Thank you.
Clumsy. Clumsy, Moana. You can go the water. Kung ano-ano na lang talaga ang pinupulot nito ng bata natin. So, I'm pretty sure this area kapag summer, mapupuno talaga ka, blessed. Kasi ang ganda eh. Hindi sa ganun kalalim. Saka ang linis. Dito, kahit saan, pwede ka umupo dyan. Oh. Ayan ang araw. Alas 3 na ka, blessed. Mamaya pa kami uuwi. Medyo magkagabi na. Kasi para maghapunan kami doon sa whirlpool. Kapagdating sa bahay, matutulog na. Kulit ng bata natin, ha? Sana all, Moana, hindi nilalamig. Yan. Nice din. May hagdanan din doon. Madaming access. Para makapunta ka dito sa beach. Ooh. Okay then. Do it. Oh, very good. Ay. Yun lang kagandahan dito ka, blessed, sa Australia. Ang beach dito is libre. Free, walang bayad. Mas may bayad pa yung camping site kaysa sa dagat. So, mga tao dito Hindi na malaman. Sa dami ng dagat na pwedeng puntahan. Ang iba doon madayo pa sa malayo. Tulad doon sinasabi nilang Albany. White sand. As in. Pag summer. Punuan. Kasi ganun sila dito. Mahilig sa beach. Sakit na ng binti ko. Kakalakad sa buhangin. Ang hirap. Ay. Buti dito na side. Hindi masyado malubog ang paa mo. Kaya lang, malamig naman. Yung doon na side, hindi siya malamig pag lubog ang paa mo. Ang sakit. Pamaol Israel ta mamaya. Naku, pa-blessed. Yung lakad-lakad namin. Pang exercise na din. Diba, ang ganda ng dagat. Sa Pilipinas pa to. Naku po, may entrance na naman. Meron namang mga kubo-kubo dyan. Inom-inom. Dito, bawal. Meron lang mga designated area na pwedeng pagtayuan. Yeah. Ito na tayo. Malapit kay Daddy. Ang ganda ka, blessed. Oh. Mandalay Bay Beach. It's turquoise blue. Green. Yeah. Oh, somebody there. Look.
No, that's dangerous.
Ah, you can walk pala till there pa. Wow. Wow. Look. Oh. Nice view, Daddy. See? White sand. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Another summer spot.
So many beautiful beaches. Amazing.
Yes. Like they're fishing. Ang ganda. Oh, wow. Especially that area, no? There, oh, no? Careful! Baybayin doon natin itong tulay na to. Ang ganda, oh! Diyos ko, ang sarap pag-pictorial dyan. Naka-outfit. Grabe, kawaw naman. Ang taas-taas pa ng hagdanan, oh. Careful! Wait! Let's wait, Daddy. Ang ganda. Let's wait, Daddy. Oh my God, it's quite high. Look at that. It's too high. Mana, wait, Daddy. Oh no. Let's wait, Daddy. Mana, ang kulit naman eh. Let's wait, Daddy. Sit here first. Come on. Na, sige. Careful. Mashoot tayo ka diha. Ambot lang ni. Look at this. Pardon?
These pillars
Uh-huh.
in the water still.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Where you going? Terus mana? Tama, let's go down na. Yay!
I'm right here.
All right, here. Okay then.
Go this way.
Wow. Ang ganda. Yeah, you can't swim because it's dangerous.
Shy. My finger.
Yeah, grabe white sand. Ang pino.
Oh,
It's a flies. Ganda. My goodness. Oh, ang ganda ilagay sa paso. Pa ang Moana. Come on, keep walking. Oh, this way. Wow, Daddy, look at this. Oh no. Yeah.
That water is here. What?
Yeah. No, oh, careful. Wow. It's a wow. Careful, ha? Game one na. Diyos ko, kamang. Oh my God. Ganda. Wow. Sa kung mag-high tide ka, blessed, maapaw dito ang tubig. Oh. Yan, kita mo na lang. You don't need to go far. It's creepy. Mana? Daddy, bahala mo dyan. May mga crab nga.
Careful. You wait a little bit. So we'll come out.
Tala ka, Blessed, look! We are now at the beach.
I just want always that.
Shell.
Oh.
Yeah.
Always. Going for the shell.
Oh, you're going to find a shell. Come on. Then go and find the shell. Si Daddy, nandun pa rin sa kabatuhan. Ay, naku. Basta ako natakot ako. Ay, ang ganda. Grabe. As in. Ay, Moana! Come on! As in. Ito tayo yung background eh. Hindi pa natin dala yung ating camera. Kalok. Ay, stop. Hindi ka magsasawang mag-video. Wow. Sinipon ako sa lamig. Ang ganda.
Where's the kangaroo go?
You see them there? In front. Come look. They're in front of us. On the round.
At least man nakita tayong kangaroo.
You
Nagkakamot pa oh. Itchy daw, itchy.
The kangaroo.
Yay.
Oh no. Kangaroos go.
So ito yung nasunog nila ka-blessed. Last time pumunta tayo dito, natalaot kasi may sunog. Ito na pala yun siya. Pagkita niyo yun sa unang vlog ko. Hanggang ngayon na naaamoy mo pa. Smells ano pa siya. Fresh na sunog. Mabuti nga, it's hanggang dyan lang. Hindi yung as in. Lahat sunog. Update tayo. Ating bata is tulog na. Ayan. Tulog na siya. Papadilim na ka-blessed. Time check is 5:08. So, see you again later mga ka-blessed. Pag nasa bahay na tayo. 1 hour pa no? Driving. Isang oras pa. It's nice with the trees. Ganda. Sunset. Good night, ka-blessed. Bye na pala tayo. Kanina pa.
Come on, you bless last.
6:20 kami dumating.